social robot review and $2,175 bonus. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com. I'm back from holidays and I'm super excited to review Social Robot for you today. Now this is a piece of software that will be super helpful to any affiliate marketer. So no matter the niche, no matter if you are a super affiliate already or if you're just starting out, this is something that will really help you because it will do three things for you. First of all, it will force your audience to reciprocate because you're going to be giving them something of real value. Secondly, it generates traffic, so traffic is always very cool. And thirdly, it saves a ton of time. So I'm going to review it for you. I'm going to do a little demo. We're going to go through the sales page, all of the upsells, and I have a massive $2,175 bonus which will be revealed in the end of this video. Okay, so let me share my screen with you and let's jump into it. So let's take a look at the headline. As you can see, it says Social Robot, are you sick of the BS? Brand new push button software generates free unstoppable buyer traffic in as little as 5 minutes a day. Get results or we'll send you $100. It is as simple as that. So obviously they're gonna have a little demo video right here. Obviously these guys have a ton of proof. The two guys behind this course, let me just scroll down to show you some more proof. Social Robot, this is the name of this product. Obviously this is my Social Robot review, and this is great for any affiliate marketer. So it doesn't matter if you are an Amazon affiliate, ClickBank affiliate, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, any platform, or even if you just want to sell your own products, this product is great. So it doesn't really matter who you are, a single mother or father, stay-at-home mom or dad, if you're out of work and struggling, if you're in college, whatever it is, this is for everyone. Just scrolling down here for you guys, these guys will have some bonuses, a 30 days money back guarantee as always. And I just wanted to show you the testimonials right here, including one from myself. And obviously these guys will give you these bonuses. You're gonna get my bonuses on top of these ones. 30 days, well actually 365 days money back guarantee, so pretty cool. And Billy, David, and Justin, these are the three guys behind the course. So all three successful marketers, I know all three of them really well. I worked with them in the past. David actually helped me a lot when I was new to making money online. So these guys are 100% legit and they know what they are doing. And Social Robot is an amazing piece of software. So once you're gonna pick it up, this is what you'll see. So what it does, it creates PDFs, product reviews. So why PDFs as a product review are better instead of like a YouTube video or a blog post. They are better because people are logged in. So like if someone watches your YouTube video review, they can super easily click away. The recommended tab is right there and they can just click on any other video and just get super distracted very easily. And if they are on your blog, they can just click away as easily. But if they're going to get a PDF with a full review from you, essentially they are logged in, they will go through it, and very important, they actually feel that they got something from you. They got like a gift or like something tangible, which means that they will be feeling like reciprocate and use your link to buy the product if they will like the product. So these are the two very cool things. So they are not distracted, they are logged in, they feel like reciprocate, and also I'm going to show you that Social Robot actually generates traffic for you as well. So as you can see, this is the dashboard. We got 11 PDFs. Let me just log in here. We got 11 PDFs created already, 15 PDFs. So we can view all of these, we can access, as you can see, we can add the rating, we can delete it, we have all the product names, then we have the PDF maker. But before I'm going to show you this, let me show you the social sharing. So you can share it instantly after you create it on Blogger, Twitter, Reddit, Plurk, LiveJournal, Instapaper, and Write. So first of all, you're going to get instant traffic from all of these sites, and plus you're going to be creating backlinks if you want to create backlinks like for your review on YouTube and blog. So it's just an icing on the cake. As you can see, we got my profile, so you can connect all of these right here. Then we have the training, which I'm going to show you in a second, but the PDF maker looks like this. So let's just create a new PDF. this is instant. So all you have to do is add a product name, add a product cover, add product benefits, product rating, bonuses offered for OTOs, product review, product summary, affiliate link, and then a call to action bonus. And the cool thing is that you can just easily copy and paste all of this from the JV page. So obviously, if you're promoting anything, first you're going to have to think about what you're going to promote, hit up the vendor, they will send you the JV page, and normally all of this information is already on the JV page, which means that you already have the product name, the product cover, the benefits, the product rating. Obviously you're going to give it whatever you want to give it, 4 stars, 5 stars, whatever. Bonuses, this is self-explanatory. Product review, you just type it out or just copy it from the JV page. Product summary, and then you're just copying and pasting your affiliate link, and that's it. You can literally create these PDFs in minutes, send it wherever you want to send it, share it all over the social media. If you have a list, perfect. If you have a Facebook group, or if you are just using other people's Facebook groups, great, share it. People will go through it, buy through your link, and that's as simple as that. Okay, so, and going back to the social sharing, you have traffic included, which means that your PDF will be instantly shared again on Blogger, on Twitter, on Reddit. So these places are full of traffic, and it's a great way just to share your PDF and get some traffic, even if you don't know how to generate traffic in other ways. Okay, I also wanted to show you this. Obviously the training is included, so we have the big picture overview video, we have the accessing the software video, we have building your audience, we have driving traffic and making sales. So only for videos, but this is a very simple concept. Obviously you can do all of this manually, but it would take you at least 2 to 3 hours. With Social Robot, you'll be able to do this in less than 5 minutes. And again, you are actually giving something to your subscribers or to your followers, and they will feel like reciprocate. So the PDF will be looking great. They feel like they're getting like a free report or something. They use the link inside. They are not getting distracted because they are not on YouTube or on your blog, and you're gonna make easy money, and actually the conversions will be going up as well. Okay, so this is what you're getting. Super simple idea, but super powerful. Normally these the super powerful ideas are the simplest ones, and this is one of it. So again, Social Robot, very cool. I highly recommend you pick it up, and it doesn't really matter if you are a super affiliate or if you are just starting out. This is for any affiliate in any niche, and it works perfectly. Okay, so this is what you're going to see inside the members area, and let's go through all of the upsells right now. So the front end is $22.95, but actually these guys will have an early bird as well, so you can grab it for much less. Then we have OTO number 167. I'm going to show you exactly what these are in a second. Let's just go through the prices. So OTO number 167, OTO number 267, OTO number 347, OTO number 447, and OTO number 5, $197. And let me just show you exactly what this is before I'm going to show you my bonuses. So upsell number $167, that's unlimited edition, which gives you unlimited campaigns, create unlimited PDFs, and also unlocks additional features and more video training. Upgrade number 2, we have automatic edition, which is additional accounts and scheduling ability for fully automated campaigns. Then we have Social Robot upsell number 3, 5K daily edition, which is additional training on how to make up to $5,000 per day by leveraging simple traffic strategies. Then we have Social Robot upsell number 4, Supreme edition, which is essentially license rights to sell this product and all of the products on the funnel as your own, and you can even rebrand it with your own logo. So normally you would spend thousands of dollars on something like this, and you can pick it up for just $47. Great price. Social Robot upsell number 5, luxury edition, which is not a done for you setup, but done with you setup, which means that they will have actually a dedicated support person that will work with you and will set up the whole system for you, including a website, including hosting, including an autoresponder account, including adding emails. They will give you additional tutorials. So a full done for you experience, which normally with the done for you packages you're just getting the files and you have to do all the work yourself, but with the luxury edition these guys will actually do all the work for you. Okay, so these are all of the OTOs, and let me show you my bonuses because I have one of the biggest bonus packages out there. Okay, so if at any point you want to grab it, you can use this link, this blue link on my blog, or the first link in the description of this video if you're watching on YouTube. And as you can see, I have a ton of bonuses. So buyers list ninja, this is my first bonus which will expand on this whole method. So obviously you can make a ton of money as an affiliate marketer, but if you're going to build your buyers list at the same time, that's even better. That's why buyers list ninja is my own course and no one else will be able to give it to you. And another one of my courses is Blaze, which is all about generating free traffic from Facebook groups. So very cool place to get traffic and actually give them the PDF from Social Robot. So the first two bonuses are a must-have if you really want to be successful with a Social Robot. Okay, then I have some software for you. All of these are traffic software. So push button traffic, that's software number 1. Auto Affiliate Machine 2.0, that's software number 2. Viral Commission Machine, software number 3. Software number 4, Super Affiliate Class. Then I have some additional traffic courses. Obviously, the more traffic you can generate, the more money you will make with Social Robot and the PDFs you're going to be creating. $100 daily, free mint commissions, $171 a day, copy profit case study, fastest way to $170, tube commission loophole, another great traffic course. Flip Me, this is my best selling flipping course. So arbitrage, buying low, selling high, tube traffic avalanche, another one of my traffic strategies. Case study, this is a case study on how to generate free traffic from Facebook as well. And then I have additional software and plugins for you. So Affiliate Advantage plugin, Giant plugin Biz, sales page writing software, TrueText, iAsk, Popbox, Sales Bar, Short Core, Code to Action. And on top of all of this, you're getting my mega bonus. And my mega bonus alone is worth $1,500. You can check all of this out on your own, but you're getting 45 of the day awarded courses. Now you can go through all of this in your own time, but essentially again this is 45 of the day awarded courses, and this is worth $1,500 plus, and I'm actually adding new courses to this as well. So my mega bonus is what you're gonna get on top of all of these bonuses, which is a total value of $2,175 if you're going to pick it up through my link. So Social Robot goes live today on the 17th of July at 11 a.m. Eastern. Again, if you are on my blog, you can just click on any of these blue links to buy it. If you are on YouTube, you can go ahead and click on the first link. The second link will take you to my blog post if you want to read through it. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'm always here to help. And again, Social Robot is something that will really help you start generating these affiliate marketing commissions. It saves you a ton of time. Again, the reciprocating factor is huge because you're actually giving something to your followers and subscribers, and it's a massive time saver. Okay, so I really like it. I think that a lot of people will make a lot of money with this. I highly recommend it. It gets a 5-star rating for me. I really thought about the negatives, but there are no negatives. The only negative is that after the initial launch period, it will be $97. Okay, so if you won't buy it today, like if you're gonna buy it a week from now or 2 weeks from now, it will be $97, which is a little expensive. But today you can get it for at around $20. That's the early bird price if you're going to show up today at 11 a.m. Eastern. So again, if you have any questions, please let me know. If you're watching on YouTube, please give it a like, leave me a comment, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Ciao.